If you don't spend time in nature, why would you think about it? When you're young, growing up around concrete is fun, if it's all you know. It wasn't until I got older, going city to city, show to show, that my perspective changed. I got to see the world is bigger than just this one place I grew up. But yeah, there are some problems that are universal. Music's a leveller. And in this instance, it's allowed me to open doors and bring my community together in a project that personally means a lot. So I put out a tweet just being like, yo, I'm looking into this thing called urban greening. And Timberland hit me back saying that our ideas align. When we went to link up, everyone was there. Croydon Council, National Park City, Urban Growth, and a lot of the local community. We talked, we listened, and we made plans to transform the square right outside Thornton Heath station. Time away from the city, deep in open space, helps me maintain a positive state of mind. We wanted to bring that into the city. Take something grey and make it green. Allowing people from Thornton Heath to lead the project was pivotal. We wanted to create a space that they'd actually use, and a community garden that was alive and welcoming.
Having spaces like this is just invaluable for us.
Definitely helps with my creativity and just general peace of mind.
It adds to over 127 parks and green spaces throughout the borough.
We want to make the city greener, healthier and wilder.
This is a community full of love and diversity. It needed a space that reflected that. It's a small thing, but to action that change in my area, along with my friends and people who I grew up with in that community, for me is a big deal. This is the time we have. I wish I could have done it sooner, but there is no time like now. It's about doing our bit. Nature needs heroes, because just caring is no longer enough.